Hey everybody, Skinny Pigs 1 here. We're gonna do the new pet room tour. So welcome to the dark, dank dungeon of doom. Now these stairs aren't finished. We're gonna have them carpeted pretty soon. But I think when I'm walking, like the creaky effect kind of adds to what scary scene you're about to witness. So let's go. So this is the hall leading up to it. As you'll see right here is my air purifier. I have the Honeywell brand. This flashes when you need to clean the filters out. You can wash them or vacuum them out. Leading into the room is a baby gate. And on the baby gate I also zip tied grids so that Seymour wouldn't think he could fit his head through. So it's a walk-through one, which is nice, and it latches behind you. So here we are. Dun dun dun. So we're going to start off to the left of the room. So when you walk in, this is going to change soon, because my plan is to bring down one of my bigger tables that's longer, and I'm going to hopefully have a fridge, and then could put my like cutting board and everything like that. But for right now, I just have my little scooping stuff, coconut oil, nail clipper file, zip ties that I was using, things like that. And across the way we have Angus and Bullseye. Their cage is a 5x3. These are my two skinny pig males. Bullseye will be 4 years old, and this little guy will be coming up on 2 months old. So here is an overview of their cage. They're on the Finding Dory fleece. So everybody's cage, you're going to notice they have a place to hide. They have either fiddlesticks or a Timothy tunnel. And they have a toy from Zoey and Lilo's toy box. And everybody has a hay bag in the center. I tried to keep all hay bags to the center rather than the perimeter of the cage so that nothing spills on the floor. Everybody has a double dish. The Naturals Boredom Breaker is what it says in the bottom. Don't mind the washer, it's going right now if you can hear that. Those I bought from Bobby's Bunny Boutique, in case you're wondering. And also, if you'd like to know where these name tags came from, I will leave a link below. A lady named Angie, she sent them to us. And they're really adorable, so if you would like some, you could send her a message on her Facebook page. Now over here, Angus and Bullseye go off to Apple, Dumpling, and Huckleberry Pie. So now there is plexiglass here. Since these are two males and Apple here is a female, I decided to put plexiglass there. She isn't intact, she's spayed, so she's not going to give off the same kind of things when a piggy would be in heat, but still, for safety's sake, there is plexiglass. So you'll see there's their toy. Oh, we just saw Huckle running there. They have the fiddlesticks, the usual dish, their hay bag, and these guys always have to go under these liners, which drives me nuts. So these guys are in a 4x3. That's what everybody else has. I gave the two boys the 5x3. So next over here we have Nanook. I am actively looking for a baby to adopt for Nanook, a baby girl. So for that reason, since Huckle isn't neutered, we have plexiglass here so that no accidental pregnancies can happen. And I found out today when that plexiglass wasn't up that Apple does not like Nanook. I've never heard Apple chatter. She was going hardcore at Nanook. Where's Miss Nanookie? There she is. So Nanook's toy is right here. I really like that one, it's quite pretty. And up on the next cage is our temperature gauge. So it's 72 in here, which is perfect. And that's the humidity as well. You can see there's a little chart below of what's the comfortable zone. We are getting a space heater because right now, to keep downstairs warm enough for the naked babies, I have to have all the vents upstairs shut off so that more heat pumps down here. So in order to not have that, space heater is coming tomorrow. Now over here is Nanaimo and rum raisin. Again, these are 4x3s. So there's Miss Nanaimo. Hi, baby girl. Hi, pretty. Where are you going? And there's Raisin and the fiddlesticks there. That's their little chew toy they have. That one's pretty cool as well. Now in between this divider there's no plexiglass, even though these ladies are intact. The gentleman over here is neutered. So in this cage we have Littlefoot and Butter Pecan. There's Miss Pecan. She's hanging out in the fiddlesticks. Hi, gorgeous. And where's Littles? Hi, buddy. You're so cute. Let's see their toy. They've been chewing theirs a lot. I've heard it crackling. So there we go. Now over here is another baby gate for safety into the laundry room. Would never want Seymour to get in there. And now over here we have Kelvin. You notice Kelvin's bed is sitting here. At night I take it away for a few hours, which forces him to be up. Anybody asking, Kelvin is over 6.5. He has some pretty crummy arthritis. He's on pain medications. He has trouble getting around, and he needs a lot of encouragement to be out to drink and to eat. So that's what I do at night, is take his bed away for a bit, and then that forces him to be up and out for a bit. So Kelvin is in a 2x2. He has vet bed on one side so that it's super squishy. His hay is just in a pile so that it's really easy. He has a toy in the corner as well, you'll see hanging there. And he has 2 water bottles, even though his cage is small, so that he can get a drink close by. Now temporarily, or I'm not sure if I'll keep it here or put it on the other table once that's done, I have my medications that I need daily. We have our Oxbow tablet products. And that's for Kelvin, his F&M foot ointment. So that's for the piggies. And now keep in mind for Bun, his stuff isn't 100% complete. I'm still going to be collecting stuff for him. So under this part of the table, this is kind of like his home zone. You'll see he has his hay box there, his litter box, pellet dish, water bowl. And that water bowl's on a little spill mat that has a ridge so that hopefully nothing goes on the floor. And then at Walmart today I picked up these heavy duty mats. Seymour was finding it quite weird to be on vinyl after he has been on carpet forever. So I picked up that to make him feel more secure. So obviously he's not locked in there, he can come out at any time. And he has the entire floor to run around. I need to pick up more toys for him. So under this spot we have a boot rack with a seagrass mat. It's zip tied to that so it doesn't slide. We have his tunnel IKEA bed with his seagrass mat, some little balls there. Under here we have his box with his paper, another one of those mats from Walmart, and another boot rack. Now over here I'm going to get a bunch of toys for him to put there. And under here we have hay bins and some 1x2 liner bins and another hay bin. Seymour can go all in there. I made it so there's room, and he does go back and around for whatever reason. I'm not sure. It doesn't look that exciting. Sorry. And right there are their pellets, top red ones are Seymour's, and in that bottom one is for the piggies. Again, that's going to be moving. I might go actually set it on the table tonight. That table will hopefully eventually be one of my 5-foot tables, so a bit longer one from upstairs, and I'll have more room to put things on. Now it's, I think, almost 8 o'clock, so there is one window in this room, and when it is sunny outside, it shines half decent in here, but I always keep the lights on when it's daytime, just like the other room. Once it's time for me to go to bed, I will turn off their light. They have a couple night lights that I'll have on so they can see a little bit, but otherwise I turn off the lights so that they know it's nighttime, and I turn them back on first thing in the morning. So I know one of the big deals with when I showed the room almost complete last time was all about the lighting, where people felt like this was a dark dungeon. I actually had people saying that they thought it was cruel to have my pets down here, which I think it's a really nice area, super bright. They've got such large cages. And a big thing that came up was vitamin D, but you can't even get vitamin D through a window because they're treated. And there's vitamin D in their pellets, and my pigs do go outside when I'm able to take them out, temperature reasons. So more about the cages. You can see they're on stands. Those were built by my dad, and there's all trim around them so that the grids wouldn't slip off. They are super sturdy. Like, you can stand on them, you could jump on them, super sturdy. And I've made sure to bun proof them all because Seymour loves to chew things, just like bunnies do. He's doing really well on the vinyl. At first he was quite nervous about it, and he was just staying up on a boot rack, and I was able to pick him up, which isn't normal. So I picked him up and moved him over to where the mat was, picked him up, put him down, picked him up, put him down, because I wanted to show him that it was safe up there and that he could jump down and be safe. And after a little bit he finally decided, yeah, this isn't too bad, and started zipping around. And now he has no problem. Hey bud, there you go. It's the lighting down here, but you can really see he's got some red in his fur. The good lighting in here shows that you're like a gorgeous reddy brown. Yeah, so he's been having fun exploring lots of things. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know. As I said, I'm still working on fine-tuning things. It's not a perfect thing yet, but we're getting there. I really enjoy it so far. Who's talking over here? Hi, buddies. So give us a thumbs up if you like this room. Please subscribe for more videos. If for some reason you don't like this room, think I am cruel and shouldn't have pets, and that you have a big problem with something, please don't even comment. I think a good rule would be if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. But obviously people are free to say what they want, but just the last time it really was, oh, people. Like, if you're complaining about my piggies in these cages, what about the people in the little pet store cages on the floor? Anyway, hopefully everybody enjoys it, and we will all see you later. Hey, bye-bye. Will we see you later? Yes, cutie patootie. Alright, bye guys.